Getting forgetful lately? Well, we don't have a solution for you. However, we might help you understand more about your memory. There are two types of memory, a short-term memory and a long-term one. And by the name, a short-term memory holds data for short periods of time. A long-term memory, however, holds data for quite longer periods of time. In this video, we'll concentrate on the short-term memory. The range of the short-term memory is in order of seconds, and it can store any type of sensible data. But what exactly is the type of data with the highest probability of being remembered? Let's narrow down the scope to include visual data only. What is more likely to be remembered? Is it words, images, or maybe a combination of both? Well, that's a type of question that can only be answered through experiment. So we conducted one. Let's explain further about it. The proposed hypothesis for the experiment was that both the probability of remembering images only and the combination of images and words is higher than the probability of remembering words only. The procedure was the following. There were 3 sets of data, each represented data type that I mentioned previously. The number of objects in the set was 18 objects. Each participant was given 1 minute per dataset to memorize the object, and were given 2 minutes to recall and write down what they can remember. They were given short breaks between each dataset. After writing down what they memorized, the data was gathered and the number of correct objects remembered by the participant per dataset was recorded. And now for the results. The probability distribution of remembering the correct images was the highest, followed by the combination of images and words, and the least was the words only. If it proves something, it proves the validity of our previously mentioned hypothesis. In conclusion, you are more likely to remember images better than words. So, a simple piece of advice. While studying, try to link complex definitions and functions to visual aids in images. They will be much easier to recall this way. That is one thing you should know about your brain.